The Kashmir Premier League is scheduled to start from August 6th in Muzaffarabad in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and will be contested by 6 teams captained by Pakistan's current and former cricketers Shahid Afridi, Mohammad Hafiz, Shoaib Malik, Fakhar Zaman, Shadab Khan and Imad Wasim. Former international cricketers are reportedly being warned by the BCCI against taking part in the inaugural KPL tournament. The controversy snowballed when on July 31st, former South African cricketer Herschel Gibbs tweeted that the BCCI warned him against taking part in the league, which has been sanctioned by the Pakistan Cricket Board. According to a report in Al Jazeera, the former South African batsman confirmed the developments before adding that the message from Mr. Shah was sent to Graham Smith, who passed it on to me. On Saturday, former Pakistan captain Rashid Latif also alleged that the BCCI was warning cricket boards against allowing their players to take part in the tournament. Latif said the BCCI warning cricket boards that if their former players took part in Kashmir Premier League, they won't be allowed entry in India or allowed to work in Indian cricket at any level or in any capacity. Pakistan Cricket Board has expressed its displeasure that the BCCI has called ICC members and forced them to withdraw their retired cricketers from the Kashmir Premier League. The PCB has said it considers that the BCCI has brought the game into disrepute by issuing warnings to multiple ICC members to stop their retired cricketers from featuring in the Kashmir Premier League. It added, there were messages sent to England's cricketers too. We've been told that the players were warned they won't be allowed to travel to India again if they take part in the KPL. Herschel Gibbs and former Sri Lankan cricketer Tilakaratne Dilshan have confirmed their participation in the league. However, former England spinner Monty Panesar confirmed that he is withdrawing from the inaugural KPL due to political tensions between India and Pakistan over Kashmir issues. Meanwhile, participation of former England cricketers Ove Shah, Matt Pryor and Phil Mustard is yet to be confirmed after Saturday's events unfolded. Since gaining independence in 1947, India and Pakistan have fought 2 of their 3 wars over Kashmir. Both sides claim the region in full but administer separate parts of it. India and the BCCI claim the Kashmir Premier League is designed to promote Pakistan's version of the story and legitimize Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The BCCI has come up with a strong stance over the Kashmir Premier League. As per a report in the Indian Express, BCCI has informally informed the boards that any participation in the controversial league will mean their commercial tie-ups with the BCCI will be over. A BCCI official reportedly said that the decision has been taken while keeping national interest in mind and that the board has no problems with players playing in the Pakistan Super League, but it had to draw the line when it came to the league in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The official added, we have no problems with those playing the PSL, but this is a league in POK. We are towing our government's line. The Kashmir Premier League was initially supposed to take place in May 2021, but the starting date was pushed to August 2021. The tournament is set to start on August 6th and end on August 16th. The tournament has received accreditation from the Pakistan Cricket Board and is expected to serve as a launching pad for the budding cricketers. The Kashmir Premier League will be taking place at the Muzaffarabad Cricket Stadium in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir.